Alright, we're back here again on the 67 Fastback, the GTA. As you can see, we finally got a radiator support only. It was completely rotted out and missing. If you checked out on some of the other videos I posted on this one, you could see how bad it was. Got a new battery tray. So everything right now is just mocked up using aircraft clecos. Kind of simulate spot welds where everything's going to be. They work very well when you're doing welds, so that way the pieces don't end up moving on you. Bring it around the back side. So everything is fitting very well. Just as if it was a factory fix. So the whole car has been sandblasted and primer powder coat. Side of the frame rail is a little bit eaten away. All that's going to be replaced, but right now I want to mock up the fenders, the hood, to make sure that the body is square. It got dropped off here all in pieces, so I want to make sure that from the years of sitting, nothing's started to sag or move out of place. Especially since it has so much rust, a lot of that stuff is structural, so pretty sure some of them may have moved. Alright, on the next video, hopefully I'll have a hood and some fenders on here just mocked up.